Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a video to your photo on VSCO. So, today in front of me is a Galaxy S24 Ultra, and if you want to add a video to your photo on VSCO, first of all you need to open the VSCO application. So just click on the application, then you want to go to the studio, and keep in mind that first you are going to select a video that you want to add to your photo. Then you are going to add a photo. So let's get on with it. So I want to add this video to, let's say, maybe this photo right here. So I'm going to click on the video and then select this icon right here. And as you can see, now we do have only the video on the screen. And then I'm going to click on the media icon, which is right here. So let's click on the media and add a photo. So just click on the photo and click next. As you can see, now we do have a photo on our video. So let's say we want to a little bit resize it and maybe even, let's say, flip it right here. It doesn't make any sense, but maybe you have like a horizontal video. So I'm going to put it like this, and then I'm going to make my photo a little bit bigger, something like this one, and then put it backwards so to keep the video up here. So this is it. This is how you can add a video to your photo on VSCO. After all editing, if you want to save, just click finish and select save, or even if you want to post it on a VSCO. If you don't want to, just deselect this little icon right here and click save. After all the rendering, you're going to have it in your studio. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!